So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to translate any language. This is the feature from the Google Translation. If you don't have a Google Translation application, so you should download from Google Play Store and App Store. The application link in this video description. Now let's start it. Open the application. As you can see guys, there's have many options. So also you can see record option, conversation option, handwriting option, camera option. So guys, please wait. So now I want to write example. I have to translate how are you. So guys, you can see this translation is complete. So you can hear क्या हाल है. So guys, you can see this is the feature, very useful feature, so you can use very easily, and also you can translate any language very easily. Guys, I have a request. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friend for more video. I hope you will understand.